Okay, this is the first time using this soldering iron. It's got its own OS. It's pretty crazy. This is pretty cool. I can change the temperature I want. So they really throw you to the wolves immediately. They want you to put the integrated circuit in. Oh, look, they give you big pins to solder to. That's good. I'll need that. Not too shabby. Let's see if they work. Well, luckily they can only go one direction. Got two more right here, and I guess I solder from the backside. Doesn't really say. We'll figure that out. All right, I think I'm gonna call it now since we got pretty far along. Just need to install this. Actually, I'll leave it to next time. Yeah, pretty fun little project so far. Little clicky buttons. I'm excited to put this together.